Sound check. Sound check. Sound check. Sound check. Sound check. Okay. So this is basically, I'm gonna take the headphones off. This is basically like the first stream I've ever done in like probably 2 years. No, not 2 years. Like 6 years. But anyways, this is my game engine. Pretty simple. It's got basic structure so far. It's written in C. I'll just show something. Here. Let me just change the skybox real quick. I like the blue skybox. Actually, I'll keep the other skybox. It's fine. So, basically this is it. I'm just changing the direction of the light source. I want it right here. There we go. Simple stuff. Simple stuff indeed. It's a little verbose. It's a bit verbose to make a game with this engine so far. Just to show a basic example, you have to define your application structure right here, and then you need to define an application descriptor. So you kind of just copy the name that you actually want into the application descriptor. You have to give it a start, update, and terminate function callbacks, which just take in the application struct, elapsed time, application struct, frame time, the application struct. Very simple. Very simple, very simple. And there's an init, run, and destruct. You just kind of run them all like this. Pretty simple. So, kind of what is here, I'm just gonna kind of reprogram this. I'm just gonna include the data source, make simple int main, simple app, and then we're going to do a application descriptor. So, kind of forgot what my app descriptor takes, so I'm just gonna kind of put this side by side. It takes an app name, so kind of forgot if C allows you to do this. It doesn't let you, huh? I'm just gonna fill it out manually. Okay. Data application in it. We'll take in the app and the descriptor. Then we will run the app. Then we will destroy the app. So we have a theta application descriptor. This will take in the app name, so we'll just string copy the app name into there. So we're just doing basic application. Looks like we need string, so let me include that. Descriptor.start, this will be null for now. Same with update. Same with render. And same with terminate. There's nothing special here. Descriptor.api, we'll just set it to OpenGL by default. Starts in full screen, will be false. Cursor block. That just means, will the cursor be set to center of the screen? No, we don't want that. F11 does full screen. This is experimental, so I haven't added this feature yet. But I do want this feature because it's a pretty cool feature. I like how Minecraft does it. So, if we run it, well, let's first build it. Let's build complete. Boom. Basic application. Very simple. Very simple. There's nothing here, obviously, because there's no app, so we need to create some basic kind of functions. We need to create a start function, at least. So we will do that. We'll create our static void app start. This takes in the app, and that's just about it. So we will set that to app start. Then in here we're gonna need to do some cool things. We're gonna need to create a scene. Very simple. And then we need to set active scene to the scene with the scene manager, which is just a very basic singleton design pattern that just, you give it the scene, it just holds onto the scene, and that's basically about it. But it needs to be heap allocated, so we'll do that. And then now theta scene init takes in the camera. We'll just do that, because now we just say theta scene theta camera cam, and then theta camera init basic projection matrix. Let's just make that real quick. We're just gonna say GLM perspective takes in an FOV. I think this is radians, so we just want like 90 degrees. Aspect ratio is going to be 16:9. Near Z will be 0.1f 1000. Destination will be the projection matrix. You need one of these to be afloat, or else some bad things happen. Alright. So, let me just do another sound check. Oh, it's in 720p. Right. So, let me just do another sound check. Oh, it's in 720.
Alright.
Is that not a problem? Why on earth would it decide to stream in 720? Oh my gosh. Video output is currently active. Please turn off any outputs. How about this? Let's create another screen capture. We're gonna turn that one off. Actually, we're gonna turn this one off. Hold on. Let me make this. Oh, great. I can't even do that. Okay. Looks like we're gonna have to suffer in 720p. Suffer in 720p. Okay. So. Still, here's our basic scene initialization stuff. So, you can bind a skybox very easy. You gotta create the skybox. Then you initialize the skybox. Texture locations. Basic little variable that we're gonna make. It's gonna be a const char texture locations. Wait. I think the way I did it was it requires a char. Oh, okay, so it's gonna be char texture locations 6. I think it's like this. And when you look at the res folder, so the first one is right, the right one, so it will be, we're gonna do the space one, so we say space rt.png, then it looks like it takes in the left. So res space left. Then it takes in the top. So res space up.png, res space down.png. And then it looks like it takes the front and back. That's really simple. We just say res space front, back. Cool. Let's go compile this. Everything's perfectly fine. Oh, right. After you initialize the skybox, you need to bind it to the scene. So you just need to bind it like that. And then here we go. It doesn't look right. So I wonder if I did something wrong. Right, left, up, down, front, back. Huh. Let's make a little camera mover. So that you can actually move the camera. actually I probably should make my input system a bit better.